So what is virtual assistant? So this is virtual assistant 101. Simpleng-simple lang siya. So a virtual assistant is someone that provides online services to another. Okay, so virtual, so online, internet, not physically present, and assistant because you'll be representing a business of someone. It could be hindi siya company. It's more on agencies, LLCs, and small medium enterprises. And on my experience, more on professionals din. Okay? So kung kasi minsan may mga professionals na parang kasi sa Amerika more on keep on working. Kasi pag matanda na sila, more on pahinga na lang sila. Diba? Ganun yung idea kasi nila. Trabaho ng trabaho, mabata. So they're actually working two jobs as well. Kaya nauso yung mga part-time. Sa kanilang galing yan. So may mga engineers, real estate agents. Yung real estate agents na mga kliyente ko, there are doctors, there are engineers as well, something like that. Parang ganun lang. Okay? So they are trying to really squeeze the value of time. And hinahayad nila tayo kasi we are trying to we are getting paid for our services. So ang binibigyan naman natin sa kanila, quality of work at the same time oras. Okay? So VA benefits, sobrang simple, work from home. Okay? Ano yan? Non-negotiable yan. Okay? So higher compensation hourly, again dollar rate, depende pa rin sa experience mo. Kung sa call center 20 lang, 30, hindi ganun. Dito talaga malaki. Depende sa experience. Kasi bakit? Kung ano yung service na binibigay mo, kumikita sila ron. Okay? At sobrang barya-barya. Paliwanag ko sa inyo. Autonomous independence, ganun. Kapag nakapag-build na ka ng relationship kahit saan ka na. Okay? Kahit pa-late, kahit pa-absent ka kasi may mga personal things. Okay na sa kanila yun. Okay? So again, guys, independent contractor. Kung kaya ng katawan nyo, may kakilala akong BA, tatrabaho 12 oras. Talagang sobra. Pero wag naman ganun. Pero look for value of services, diskarte lang. Pero wag naman magtrabaho ng sobrang sagad, baka magkasakit naman tayo. And again, time. Okay, work-life balance. Yun lang naman. And moving forward, again, just to clarify, virtual assistant is not only limited to lead generation but more on bookkeeper. Malaki ang sahod dyan. Credit profit, yung idea niya, credit profit, liabilities, cold caller could also called as, lead generation is also cold caller, inside sales agent, appointment setter. Yung lead generation is not limited only for making calls, cold calls. It's more on generating leads. Leads are customers for them. And also malaki kung gusto nyo, interesado kayo, web development, more programming, front-end, back-end. Okay? E-commerce, Amazon, Shopify, dropshipping. Kung alam nyo yung Lazada, Shopee, ganun lang siya. Pero this is actually the idea behind. Okay? Meron pa nga dyan Alibaba. Okay, programmers, yan. Diyan, malalakas ako dyan. Siguro mamabot ng mga 150 per month. Pero inayawan ko ng programming, medyo madugo yan. Others, kung magaling kayo sa writing, creative thinking, branding, data and copywriting, marketing. Okay? So kung nag-upisa kayo, ang suggestion ko kung gusto lang kumita ng malaki, lead generation agad, then also data entry. Excel sheets, mga ganun lang kasimple. Maliwanag po? Questions? Wala? So far, so long?